What's up guys, and what a day today. We have the official Samsung Galaxy A90 leak from Samsung. Yes, a page appeared on Samsung's Indonesia website which mentions that the Galaxy A90 will have a notchless infinity display, pretty much confirming all the leaks and rumors that we have heard for this particular device. Again, this is all official coming from Samsung Indonesia website, and you can see it says large infinity screen designed for more than just watching. All screen and no bezel, the maxed out notchless infinity screen gives you the sharpest detail, depth, and true to life colors for a super immersive experience whether you are into games, sharing photos, or just kicking back watching some flicks. The ultra vibrant super AMOLED screen makes all your media come to life. I previously thought that it would rock an LCD panel, but to my surprise it is actually coming with a super AMOLED display, and it will most likely be a 1080p panel. Furthermore, it says that screen size may vary by Galaxy A models, so there will be more Galaxy A phones other than A90 on that official event that will take place on April 10th. And it further says that notchless infinity screen is only available on Galaxy A90. So notice the term that they're using for their full screen Galaxy A90, which is the notchless infinity. This term is separate from the new infinity term that they use for their display technologies, and new infinity is actually something that will happen in 1 to 2 years, which will give a completely bezel-less phone with an invisible camera system inside the display. So that's why Samsung has a different name for this and calling it a notchless infinity design. It's really interesting that Samsung is going for a phone like this. I mean, we have the Galaxy S10 Plus that looks really incredible, but then again the S10 Plus is not all full display. So Samsung has its A90, which again will be a cheaper phone, and it will surely compete with phones from Vivo, Oppo, and OnePlus that also have a full screen design. But then again, the difference here with this one is that it's having a sliding rotating mechanism from the camera, something we have seen on the Oppo N1 phone from the past. So it's going to be interesting to see how Samsung will bring this to light. And because it is a rotating camera system, there's only one camera on this phone, which is going to be 48 megapixel, which could be used as a front and rear camera. So Galaxy A90 with notchless infinity display is now officially coming. This feature is officially confirmed thanks to this mega page leak. Now also, Samsung is about to launch its Galaxy S10 5G model in South Korea and US. According to the expectation, the Galaxy S10 Plus 5G is expected to cost $1,500, and it will be launched on Verizon network exclusively in the start, but then it will expand to other carriers later on in the year. A 6.7-inch AMOLED display, a large 4500 mAh battery, and an extra TOF camera sensor. This will definitely going to be for those who want the absolute best from the Samsung. And Samsung has been really happy with its Galaxy S10 family. They have launched a new infograph that shows the 10 of the best and 10 of the first features on the Galaxy S10 family. It looks really incredible, and in case you don't know, I am giving away a Galaxy S10 model. To enter this giveaway, subscribe to the channel, follow me on Instagram and Twitter, and leave a comment on my unboxing video. Link will be down below in the description. I'll be announcing the winner on 24th March, so make sure to enter now. With that being said, I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.